It sounds of springtime. We've got a turkey down here hollering. I walked out the door a while ago. He was really going at it. Trimming these cedar trees up can become a job. And I said this in the last video. When you have pole saw in your hands, you don't realize how quickly you're stacking up a trailer load of brush. It's just effortless to use a saw like that. And if you already own one, you know what I'm referring to. And if not, if you have a lot of trees that you need to trim up taller, it is much safer than being on a ladder. You can actually control how they're falling off the tree and help protect you. So in today's video, we're going to finish up cutting the trail back across to the pond, and we're going to end up with probably one more full trailer load of brush, I would say. And again, opening this trail back up makes better footage for you guys, be able to enjoy the trail rides as we go through them, and I really appreciate all your comments. I hope you enjoy part 2. We're going to finish this thing up, and let's get started with the video. Thanks for watching. We've made it to the cleaner part of the trail, actually, so it won't take us too much longer. Beautiful black oak trees back here. Like I said, it gives you guys a really good shot of the pond as we're rolling out of the woods. So not bad. We're almost done. Just back towards the Mule there. And we used to ride this trail all the time. But once it starts growing up, everybody kind of loses interest, and the next thing you know, the old man's not mowing it either. Out of gas. Now in the first part of our video, I was working on the taller trees, knocking down the limbs. But I've also, while we were here working, went ahead and opened up another crossover trail that'll get us back around to the main trail as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two small cedar trees down while we're carrying things to the brush pile, and we're already here. Now these are the ones, you can get them low to the ground, but they'll typically grow about another inch after I've cut this tree off. And I have to really pay attention when I'm on the mower because they'll be underneath the leaves and you don't see them. And if you're not real careful, you can rip your lawnmower apart. I mean, it does get costly if you hit one of these. I do try to trim them down, but if I feel it necessary, I'll bring back the stump grinder and take it all the way under the dirt. Get this guy laid down. That little stump right there can give you a lot of trouble. Yeah, just like that. All right, I'm going to take that to the burn pile and we're going to finish this trail up. One of the things I appreciate about the Mule is being able to haul this brush out, get all the work I need to do finished, and enjoy riding along in it. And I know once we get this trail open, we're going to have some fun on it. So it really is just a nice machine to be able to do work like this and just, again, enjoy yourself outside. Let's get started. We're almost there. anybody who's ever walked through the woods will agree with what I'm getting ready to say. But I've walked through enough spider webs today that I could weave a silk shirt. I'm just saying. All right, let's take us a walk through here now. You see the mule sitting there. This is where we started this morning. What a change. Just absolutely 100% better. It's about, I don't know, probably 150 yards through here. Somewhere in there. And just really makes it look good. Now on my trails, when I'm trimming these cedar branches off, I always try not to leave these nubs stuck out there. I do miss them every now and then. But boy, you talk about something that can either rip your clothing or your skin as you're walking by if you get too close to them. I try to clean those up pretty tight. Yeah. A lot of improvement here today, guys. And I've been needing to clean this up for a couple of years now. Still got a little bit of fallen branches and stuff I'll pick up later on. That'll sweep us right back around to the pond though. We can also go the opposite direction here. So I'm going to say a job well done. I hope you guys like it. Really is a nice trail. Getting past these big trees, and I wasn't kidding about all the spider webs. My goodness, they were thick in here. And another absolute load of brush. That's part of it though. Like I said, it makes it a good trail for you guys to get to view and me to get to ride on. So, yeah. Better take that one up and empty it out. Well, you always feel good when you get a project done like that. And like I said, I've been waiting for a couple of years to get back through there. And now with the new lawnmower, I'm going to be able to keep that clean. So that's going to help too. And great location down here. It's right next to the pond. Every time you start into a brush cleaning job, you anticipate 1 or 2 trailer loads of brush, and you'll end up with 3 or 4. And spider webs, oh boy. But it was still fun. I was outside working today and enjoying myself. And I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.